go to a meat eater on Sunday and be like, oh, you can't have none, can you? Because Chick-Fil-A closed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and get excited because I know you already read the title. We are making vegan Chick-fil-A nuggets. Stay tuned. Okay guys, for our chicken today, we are using jackfruit. So I soaked the jackfruit in pickle juice just as Chick-fil-A would soak their chicken, and I left it overnight in my fridge, and now we're gonna dump it out. Keep the juice because we're gonna use this later, all right? Take the jackfruit out, and I'm just gonna cut it into a more chicken nugget type of shape here. Just cut out the kind of corners. I am not gonna de-seed this, you guys, because the seed has been soaking in not only the jackfruit juice in the can, it's also been soaking in the pickle juice. So I'm just gonna be making just a more non-triangular shape here so it looks like Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Now it's time to make our batter. I've already got a cup of all-purpose flour, and let's add to that some powdered sugar, 1/4 cup. If you're gonna do fast food, guys, you gotta do it right. I know y'all like, oh my God, so much. Well, sorry, not sorry. Let's do a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of baking powder, and sprinkle in some pepper. Now you whisk. All right, now that you have your station ready, you have your seasoned flour, you have your pickle juice, and you have your jackfruit nuggets, let's get to dipping. So, we're gonna do flour, dip it in the pickle juice, like a little ow, let it kiss it, and then back in the flour. So flour, pickle juice, double batter, okay guys? Pretty sure you guys already know this, but it is time to fry these bad boys in peanut oil. Now I already have one of these jars in my wok here. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I fry in a wok and it's not a deep fryer, so I wouldn't as deep as, you get it, you get it. All right, so I used about a bottle and a half. This is how much I have left over. All right, guys, the stove is on medium heat. Guys, it's actually been about 6 or 7 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the jackfruit off. All right, guys, I actually did a little batch and it wasn't dark enough for me. Here is what it looks like. So my second batch that I did, I actually turned the stove up to 7 and I fried it for about 6 minutes, and I'm about to take this batch off right now. Little darker, but not really. All right, guys, to put our Chick-fil-A nuggets in, I actually politely asked Chick-fil-A for a empty Chick-fil-A box. See?
No unnecessary murder stains in the box at all, okay guys?
So that's what we're gonna put our finished product in. And what is Chick-fil-A nuggets without Chick-fil-A sauce? I'm gonna show you how to make that right now. You're gonna take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon agave, 1/2 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and there you have it. Not Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay guys, are you so excited? I know you are. I know you are. I packaged our unchicken Chick-fil-A don't sue me nuggets inside of our box, and here they are. Ooh! Now the little ones that I fried, guys, they did definitely fry darker than the bigger ones, but it's all good.
They're gonna all taste delicious, okay?
Now y'all know this is so epic. I had to get a meat eater over here to try this because I know y'all weren't gonna believe me, okay? And he's never had. Have you had jackfruit at all?
Not at all. Never heard of it.
Wow.
Yeah,
this is very, very good. Let's try it without the sauce first.
Okay.
So you can get it whatever piece you like, probably a darker one, I don't know. We'll definitely see. All right, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, he was ready. I ain't even. That's hot. That's still hot.
That's really good.
That bread.
I would love to convert over to veganism, but a lot of the meals before, you know, weren't really conducive to what I was doing. But this is something that's good, and they have a lot more recipes coming out, so I think that's good. See
Try
that?
it with the Chick-Fil-A sauce.
So in case I pass out, y'all see who did it. Wow, that's good too. Okay.
These are good.
No,
Right. I just thought about it.
my mommy died.
We gonna just keep dipping, and you know, cause I never had it with the sauce either. That sauce hitting.
Yeah, it is. That was fairly fast too. Easy to make.
Very easy to make, guys. Very easy to make. Bread it, fry it, you out the door. Y'all know I'm not a fryer, but we made it work. Damn. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below because I love all of y'all. And I will see you next time.